Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Oppo Find N2 Flip. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store inside Find Firefox, then simply install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open a browser, then click on Continue, Allow, and now we can customize it. So pick a different theme, your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, and switch between privacy protection settings. There's also option to read the privacy notice, and finally, let's start browsing. Here, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.